In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Hubspot. Whether you're looking to seamlessly sync your emails or streamline your communications, connecting these two platforms is essential. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. To begin, navigate to the Hubspot website using your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, you'll notice a Login button located at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on this button. Now, HubSpot offers several sign-in options, but for our purposes today, we'll be choosing Sign In with Google. Clicking this option will prompt you to select the Google account you wish to connect. Ensure you're selecting the Gmail account you'd like associated with your HubSpot, as this will play a crucial role in our upcoming steps. Once you're logged into HubSpot, direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface where you'll find the Settings icon. Clicking this will take you into HubSpot's Settings menu. Within this menu, you'll want to click on the General tab. This section contains various customization options for your user experience. Next, let's move on to the Email tab located at the top of this Settings menu. This tab provides options for managing your email settings within HubSpot. Look closely, and you'll see the option to Connect Personal Email. You'll want to click on this. A prompt will appear asking you to select Connect Your Inbox, which initiates the process of linking your Gmail account directly to HubSpot. Enter your Gmail email address when prompted. It's essential that you enter this information correctly to ensure a smooth connection process. After entering your email address, click the Next button to proceed. Next, you'll see an option to Connect to Gmail. Clicking this will bring up an authorization request from Google. This is a necessary step where you grant HubSpot permission to access your Gmail account. Trust that this is a secure process designed to integrate your email directly with HubSpot's features. Click on Continue to move forward. Now, you'll be prompted to choose the Google Gmail account you wish to connect once again. Make sure you select the correct account here as well. This verification step helps ensure that everything is set up as intended. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your Gmail account to HubSpot, providing you with a seamlessly integrated platform to manage your communications. This setup will not only save you time, but also enhance your productivity by allowing HubSpot and Gmail to work together efficiently. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in streamlining your email management with HubSpot. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below.